In this video, I'll show you how to change the cabin air filter on a 2010 Kia Rio. Open your glove box. Inside here, there's a clip on this side here. And there's supposed to be one on the right side, but this one obviously is missing. To remove this clip, you're able to get your fingers behind the clip, pick the glove box up a little bit, and you should be able to push that pin into the glove box, and then this thing pretty much just pops right out. So behind the glove box, you're going to see this cover right here for the cabin air filter. There's two fingers on both sides. You're going to squeeze those, pull on that side, and then squeeze these two fingers, pull on that side. The filter should come right out nice and easy. What's nice about this car is there's actually a filter tray, which makes it easy to pull this filter in and out. But you can see that filter is disgustingly dirty. It is pretty much clogged up, dust, tree particles in air, dirt. This filter basically just pops right up and out of there. Yeah, it looks like somebody put this on backwards. Those arrows should face down. So here's what the new filter looks like. Big difference, right? We're going to put that with the arrows facing down. So that's what it looks like in its holder. It can be a pain to get this in, but it should fit nice and snug. Once you get that on there, simply put it back in. So on this cover, it'll say up and the arrow facing up. That's just the direction for the cover. The air filter arrows should be facing down. Pop those back in place. Make sure they're good. Once you get that back in place, take your glove box. I like to call these pins. I really don't know what they're called. But anyway, reinsert your pin, or whatever this is called. Pop it in place, and then your glove box is done. Now you should have one on the right side too, but this one is missing. Pull your contents back into the glove box. And once everything's back in there, close your glove box. The job is complete. And that's all there is to changing the cabin air filter on a 2010 Kia Rio. I like to change my cabin air filters once a year. If you live in a climate where it's dusty out, for whatever reason, you might consider changing that cabin filter sooner. If you're not sure, check your owner's manual. There should be a maintenance section in there that'll tell you when to replace those filters. You all take care. God bless. I'll catch you on the next one.